In 6th standard we have learned about the straight angle. Let us recall. Take a point T on a line AB. It is a line AB. On that we have to take a point T. So it is a type of a straight angle. The kind of angle ATB is a straight angle. What is the measure of that? It is 180 degree. With the help of protractor, if you measure the angle, straight angle, that is 180 degree. You can see that 0, 180, 180. Okay. So what is the measure of straight angle ATB? 180 degree. Let us start with supplementary angle. A line AC shown in the figure alongside. It is a line AC. A ray BD stand on it. So how many angles are formed here? Line AB, ray BD is stand on that. So we are getting two angles. Angle ABD and angle DBC. So we are getting two angles. Two angles are formed. With the help of protractor, when you measure the angle ABD, it is 125 degree. And angle DBC, it is 55 degree. So 125 plus 55, how much it is? 180 degree. When sum of measures of two angles is 180 degree, then that angle are called as a supplementary angles. If the sum of the measures of two angles is 180 degree, they are known as supplementary angles. Observe the angles in figure below and enter the proper numbers in the box. Angle PQR. Measures angle PQR is 110 degree. Measure angle MNT 70 degree. 110 plus 70 degree is 180 degree. Hence, angle PQR and angle MNT are supplementary angles. A plus 30 degree and 2A degree are the measures of two supplementary angles. These are supplementary angles and the measurement of that angle is A plus 30 degree and 2A degree. What is the measures of each angle? Given in terms of equation, supplementary angle means sum of this angle is 180 degree. Solve the equation, open the bracket. A plus 30 plus 2A is equal to 180 degree. Take a variables together. A plus 2A plus 30 is equal to 180 degree. A plus 2A is a 3A and plus 30 goes in right hand side, become a minus 30. So 180 minus 30 is 150. 3A means 3 multiply A goes in opposite side, divide 150 upon 3 is 50. So when we solve the equation, we'll get the value of A. Now what we have to find out? What is the measures of each angle? What is the measurement of each angle? Substitute the value of A. So we'll get the measurement of each angle. So A plus 30 degree. Substitute the value of A. 50 plus 30. 50 plus 30 how much? 80 degree. 2A. Okay. 2A means 2 multiply A. 15 multiply 2 how much? 100. So what is the measurement of each angle? 80 degree and 100 degree. You can cross check. 80 plus 100 how much? 180 degree. So they are supplementary angles. Given in terms of equation, they are supplementary angles. So sum of this is equal to 180 degree. When we'll solve, we'll get the value of A. Substitute the value of A in each to get the measurement of each angle. Find the measures of supplement of angle 135 degree. Okay, one angle measurement is 135 degree. What is the another supplement of that angle? As we know that, consider as a x or any variable name you can give, that plus 135 degree is equal to 180 because they are supplementary angle. 135 goes opposite side, minus 135. So 180 minus 135 is 45. The measure of supplement of angle of 135 degree is 45 degree. Let us start practice set 17. Write the measures of the supplement of the angles given below. For example, 108 degree. I wanted to find out the supplement of 108 degree. Means which angle measures I have to add in 108 degree to get 180 degree. Consider the measures of supplementary angle is a x. So 108 plus x is equal to 180 degree, plus 108 goes in right hand side, become a minus 180 minus 108 is 72. So what is the supplementary for 108 is 72 degree. The measures of the supplement of an angle of 108 is 72 degree. Next, wanted to find out for 0 degree. Consider the measure of supplementary angle Bx. So 0 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to 180 minus 0. When we subtract a 0 from any number, answer is that number itself. So what is the value of x? 180 degree. So what is the supplementary angle for 0 is 180 degree. The measures of supplement of angle 0 is 180 degree. Now with the help of variable a, let consider the measure of supplementary angle is x, means a plus x is equal to 180 degree. I wanted to find out the value of x. So a goes in opposite side, so 180 minus a. What is the value of x? 180 degree minus a. So what is the supplementary angle for a? Is 180 minus a. The measures of the supplement of an angle a is 180 minus a. Let me explain one more time. A is any variable. I wanted to find out supplement of this angle a. Consider the supplement of angle a is x, means a plus x is equal to 180 degree. They are supplementary pair of angles. I wanted to find out the value of x. So a, which is left hand side, plus a goes in right hand side, become minus a. So x is equal to 180 degree minus a. So what is the supplement angle for a degree? Is 180 minus a. Question number 2. The measures of some angles are given below. Use them to make pair of complementary and supplementary angles. Means here we have some measures of angles which I can make a pair to form complementary and form supplementary angles. For the complementary angle means the sum of measures of that angle is 90 degree. And supplementary angles means the sum of measures of angle is 180 degree. So complementary angles. For example, measure angle 60, which I will add in 60 to get a 90. 30, 60 plus 30 is 90. So angle B and angle N are complementary pair of angles. 60 plus 30 is 90 degree. One example for supplementary angles. Supplementary angles means addition is 180 degree. Okay. So find out from that major angle N and major angle J. 30 degree plus 150 degree is 180 degree. So angle N and angle J, which is 30 plus 150 is 180 degree. So it is a pair of supplementary angles. Like this, you have to search from this pair of angles for the complementary angles and supplementary angles. One each example I have shown. Find out the remaining examples your own. Question number 3. In triangle XYZ, major angle Y is 90 degree. What kind of a pair do angle X and angle Z makes? According to the given, in triangle XYZ, major angle Y is 90 degree. Means it is a right angle triangle. As we know the property of a triangle, sum of the measures of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Means major angle X plus major angle Y plus major angle Z is equal to 180 degree. The sum of all the three angles is 180 degree. Substitute the value of major angle Y. Major angle X plus 90 degree plus major angle Z is equal to 180 degree. 90 plus, subtract the 90 from 180. So major angle X plus major angle Z is equal to 180 minus 90 is a 90 degree. If the sum of measures of two angles is 90 degree, then they are called as a pair of complementary angles. So here angle X plus angle Z is equal to 90 degree. Hence, therefore, the angle X and angle Z make a pair of complementary angles. How we get the answer? Triangle XYZ, major angle Y is 90 degree, means it is a right angle triangle. As we know the property, sum of the measures of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Substitute the value of major angle Y, subtract it from 180 degree. So measure of remaining sum of two angles is equal to 90 degree. If the measures of two angles are 90 degree, then they are complementary pair of angles. So therefore angle X and angle Z makes a pair of complementary angles. Next example, the difference between the measures of the two angles of a complementary pair is 40 degree. Find the measures of the two angles. The measures of the two angles of a complementary. Complementary pair means sum of that angle is a 90 degree. Difference between the measures of two angles. The two angles form complementary pair, but the difference between them is 40 degree. Okay. For example, 1 and 2 number. Okay. These two are angles, form a complementary pair, but their difference is 40 degree. Difference means subtraction, means their difference, the subtraction is a 40 degree. Okay. Let us measure one angle as a x degree. Consider one angle is a x degree. So another angle must be the greater than plus 40. So x plus 40. The another angle is x plus 40. It is a pair of complementary angle. So we get the equation x plus 40 is equal to 90. Solve the equation. X, open the bracket, x plus 40 is equal to 90. X plus x, 2x plus 40 is equal to 90 degree. Plus 40 minus 40. So 90 minus 40 is how much? 50. 2x means 2 multiply x. So multiplication, divide. 50 divided by 2 is 25 degree. but this is the value of one angle because we have considered the one angle is x. Okay, so what is the measurement of one angle? That is 25 degree. What is the measurement of another angle? X plus 40. Substitute the value in that. X, that is 25 plus 40. How much? It is 65 degree. Do the cross check whether they are complementary. Yes, they are pair of complementary angles. How we have solved? It is already given. It is a pair of complementary angle. Means this addition is 90 degree. But the difference is 40 degree. So from that one angle consider as x. So another angle is x plus 40 degree. Addition is 90 degree. When we solve the equation, we find the value of x, that is 25 degree. So one angle is 25 degree and another angle is x plus 40, means 25 plus 40 is 65. So what is the pair of that complement measures of two angles? 25 degree and 65 degree. Example number 5. Quadrilateral PTNM is a rectangle. PTNM. It is a rectangle. Write the names of the pair of supplementary angle. Supplementary means sum of measure of that angle is 180 degree. As we know the property of rectangle, each angle is a 90 degree. How much? 90 degree. So you can take the pair of any two angles to form a pair of supplementary angle. For example, angle P and angle T. 90 plus 90, 180. Angle T and angle N. Angle N and angle M. Angle M and angle P. You can take the opposite also. P and N angle, M and T angles. Okay. So like this we are getting the pair of supplementary angles with the help of property of rectangle. Given quadrilateral is rectangle, means each angle is 90 degree. Wanted to find out pair of supplementary angles. Pair of supplementary angles means sum of the measure of two angles is 180 degree. So any two angles form a supplementary pair of angles. So P and angle T, like this we are getting the pair of supplementary angles. If measure angle A 70 degree, what is the measures of supplement of the complement of angle A? Supplement of the complement of angle A, that we have to find out. What is given? Measure angle A is 70 degree. Let the measures of complement of angle A consider as a x. First we find out the complement of angle A. What they have asked to us? Supplement of the complement of angle A. So first we have to find out the complement of angle A. Complementary pair of angle means sum of measures of angle is 90 degree. So angle A plus x is equal to 90. Angle A is 70 degree. So the complement of angle A is 20. Okay. Now these angles we have to find out the supplement. Okay. So find out the measure of supplement of angle x, which is the complement of angle A. Angle A, angle x, they are complementary pair. Okay. Then angle x and angle y. Here we have considered angle y. They are supplementary pair. Means angle A and angle y are forming the supplement of the complement of that angle. So as we find out the complement of A, now the complement that angles we have to find out the supplementary angles that consider as a y. x plus y is 180 degree, supplementary angles. Substitute the value of x, that is 20 degree. So 180 minus 20 is 160 degree. So what is the angle y? 160 degree, which is the supplement of the complement of angle A. How to solve this? They have asked measurement of angle A has given. Find out the measure of supplement of the complement of angle A. So first we have to find out the complement of angle A. We'll get the answer. That answers angle, we have to find out the supplementary pair of angles, and that is the supplement of the complement of the given angle. If A and B are supplementary angle and major angle B is x plus 20 degree, then what will be the angle A? It is already given they are pair of supplementary angles, means A plus B is 180 degree. Substitute the value of B, that is x plus 20. So when we subtract from 180, we will get the answer of angle A. Angle A and angle B are supplementary angles. Measurement of angle B is x plus 20 degree. What is the measurement of angle A? They are pair of supplementary angle, so sum of them is 180 degree. Substitute the value of B. Angle A plus x plus 20 degree is equal to 180 degree. Open the bracket. Plus 20, opposite side minus 20. So 180 minus 20 is 60. We wanted to find out measurement of angle A. So take the variable x on opposite side. So therefore plus x become minus x. So what is the measurement of angle A? 160 degree minus x.